Micro tool, the mid-sentence rebalance. Meaning destabilizes in movement, during transitions, half-thoughts, or rapid explanations. When you sense wobble, slip in a gentle stabilizer, hold on, let me secure this part before we carry on. It sounds conversational, but it resets the entire message. Clients immediately slow down. The thread becomes clearer. The conversation regains structure. Stabilizing meaning is not correction. It is preservation. Case, the client whose word slipped in transit. A multilingual marketing director from Morocco often expressed herself brilliantly in French but more cautiously in English. During a planning meeting, she began expressing a complex idea in English, but the structure loosened mid-sentence. The thought was strong, the phrasing wasn't. The consultant stepped in lightly, hold on, let me secure this part before we build the next layer. The director repeated her core idea in her natural linguistic phrasing first, then translated it into English with confidence. The idea landed fully intact. Meaning stabilization is not interruption. It is preservation.